Hey, welcome back. I'm Chancellor. And we're just pulling up to the hangar. As you saw in the intro, we got a lot of snow last weekend, and that kind of sent me back about a week. I was down, of course, Cadillac can't stand going in 14 inches of snow, so I was pretty much grounded and sitting at home. And then I had to work on my car the next weekend and dog sit and whatnot. But anyways, I was able to get out a few days, and we did get the Avid Magnum on the Rotisserie. I really wanted to name this video because I was inverted, but I don't think we can get it all the way inverted. Dang it. I don't think it's necessary either. We can do most of the work that we need to on the bottom here. I got a lot of the glue cleaned off. I still got a little bit more to do, and I'm really afraid that I'm gonna have to take this baggage compartment out, because if you look at some of these places here, you can still see there's some of the fabric and the glue left on there, and that's because that baggage is in the way. So I really don't want to take it off. If I do, maybe I'll look into rebuilding it out of fiberglass instead of wood. It might save some weight. I don't know. Something to look into. Basically, I had to make this front little section here, so I have 5 points of contacts on all of the engine mounts for the front here, and then it's sitting on a half moon spit there, and then I've got the bottom connected with a long piece of rod, so when we turn it, it doesn't get all wonky, and then a full circle on that spit there. However, on the end here, we made this, I guess, little kickstand basically, so if we do rotate it far enough, it won't hit that tail. It'll hit this piece of angle iron first, and we can adjust it because we threaded this, and if we need to, we can just loosen that carriage bolt up, change the height of that kickstand basically, and go from there. But just to give you an idea, it does rotate quite a ways, and I don't think that kickstand is even needed, but I can get it almost upside down until that kickstand hits. So because I was inverted, close enough, really. All right, with all that being said, thanks for watching. If you have been or are in the military, thank you so much for your service. But to the Air Force guys, I want to say happy mustache march. If you got it, grow it. In the meantime, I'll see you in the sky, and thanks for watching.